The Easter weekend is here, so it was only right to make these super easy mini egg blondies. Start by creaming together the butter and sugars, then add your eggs and vanilla and mix until light and fluffy. Add plain flour and fold this in, then add your mini eggs and white chocolate and fold these in. Scoop the mix into a lined baking tray and smooth it out, then top with some more mini eggs and bake in the oven. Refrigerate overnight, then eat them as they are or top with buttercream icing and mini eggs for decoration. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making a cream egg lava cake. Grease your ramekin with butter, then dust with cocoa powder. Next, add butter and chocolate chips to a bowl and microwave until melted, then leave to cool for 5 minutes. Add one egg yolk and caster sugar to a bowl and whisk until thick and light. Add plain flour and fold this in until smooth, then add your chocolate mix and stir this in. Scoop the mix to fill up a third of the ramekin, then place a Cadbury's cream egg in sideways. Pour over the rest of the mix, leaving a small gap at the top, and bake for about 13 minutes. Turn it over and serve straight away. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making mini egg brownies. Add melted butter and caster sugar to a bowl and whisk until light in colour. Add 2 eggs and whisk to form stiff peaks, then add your chocolate and whisk until just combined. Add plain flour, cocoa powder and salt to a sieve, sift these in, then fold them into the mix. Add your mini eggs and fold these in, then scoop half the mix into your baking tray and spread it out evenly. Add some Cadbury spread and smooth this out to the edges, then top with the rest of the brownie mix and gently spread it over the top. Bake in the oven for around 25 minutes. While still warm, press some mini eggs into the top and leave to cool fully. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making cream egg blondies. Add softened butter, light brown sugar and granulated sugar to a bowl and whisk these together. Add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and whisk these in. Then add your flour and stir until just combined. Scoop the mix into a baking tray and smooth it out, then press in some mini cream eggs and bake in the oven. While still warm, press some cream egg halves into the top and leave it to cool fully in its tray. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making mini egg millionaire shortbread. Add softened butter, granulated sugar and flour to a bowl and mix until combined. Then add some crushed mini eggs and mix these in. Pour the mix into a baking tray, bake until lightly golden and allow to cool. For the caramel, add condensed milk, butter, light brown sugar, golden syrup and salt to a saucepan. Stir on a medium heat until it bubbles, then lower the heat and continue to stir until the soft ball stage. Pour the caramel over the shortbread and smooth it out, then refrigerate for 1 hour. Pour over melted chocolate and smooth it out, then add some mini eggs to the top and let it set in the fridge. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making a cream egg marble cake. Add softened butter and caster sugar to a bowl and cream these together. Gradually add the beaten egg, whisking in between. Add the vanilla and whisk this in, then pour in half the milk and half the flour and mix until just combined, then repeat. Scoop a third of the mix into another bowl and mix in the cocoa powder until chocolatey. Scoop a third of the vanilla mix into your loaf tin, followed by a third of the chocolate mix and swirl them together. Repeat this with the next 2 layers and bake in the oven for about 1 hour. Once cooled, top with your orange and white buttercream icing and finish it off with some cream eggs. And that's it. Enjoy! You guys always ask for my brownie recipe, so I'm going to show you how to make the best fudgy Easter egg brownies. First, add melted butter and caster sugar to a bowl and whisk until smooth. Add 2 eggs and whisk until thick and fluffy. Add the melted chocolate and whisk until combined. Then sift in the flour, cocoa powder and salt and fold these into the mix. Add some white chocolate chips and fold these in. Scoop the mix into a baking tray and smooth it out, then bake in the oven. While still hot, cut your Easter eggs in half and press them into the brownie. Leave to set in the fridge and that's it. Let me know which is your favourite Easter egg. Enjoy! What's up guys? Today we're going to be making a cream egg cheesecake. Add crushed digestives and melted butter to a bowl, mix these together, then pour them into your cake tin, pressing down firmly. Pop this in the fridge. Pour double cream into a bowl and whisk to form stiff peaks. In another bowl, add cream cheese and icing sugar and mix these together. Then scoop the whipped cream into the mix and fold until combined. Take out a third of the mix, pop it in a bowl and mix with orange food colouring. Dollop the white and orange cheesecake onto your base, then swirl it together with a knife. Smooth off the top, then refrigerate for at least 5 hours. For the topping, add dairy milk chocolate and double cream to a bowl and microwave for 1 minute 10 seconds. Stir slowly until combined, let it cool, then pour it over your cheesecake. Smooth it out and sprinkle some grated chocolate around the edges. Top with a cream egg and let it set in the fridge. Enjoy! What's up guys? Happy Easter! Today we're going to be making a cream egg scotch egg. First up, you're going to be making a brownie to wrap around your cream egg. You can use a box mix like we did or make one from scratch. It's completely up to you. Follow the instructions if making a box mix, then pour it into a baking tray and spread all the way to the edges. Cook your brownie as per the instructions, then take it out and let it cool completely. When it's cool, you're going to crumble it up as best as you can. Now you're going to need about 4 tablespoons of buttercream icing, and you're going to mix this into the crumbled brownie until it forms a firm, sticky dough. Grab your cream egg and start to press the brownie mix onto the egg. If it doesn't stick, add more buttercream to your mix. Form a ball, then cover it in crumbled Biscoff biscuits to create your crust. And that's it. Let's cut it open. Today we're going to be making Easter surprise cupcakes. First up, you need whole milk, 2 eggs, and vanilla essence. Mix these together by hand. Next, you need softened butter, plain flour, caster sugar, baking powder, and salt. Mix these together with an electric whisk or mixer. Pour 3/4 of the milk mixture into the bowl and mix well. Then add the rest of the mix and mix until the batter is smooth. Pour the mix into cupcake cases. Place your mini cream egg into the centre of the cupcake. We also use Oreo eggs and dime eggs. Bake in the oven for 18 minutes,